Let's assume that you have done everything right to prepare for your promotion. You have repeatedly studied the material on the reading list, you have learned the ins and outs of the oral board process, and you have well-formed, well-practiced responses for the wide variety of questions that may be presented to you at your oral board and any subsequent interviews. That should do it for you, right? Well, maybe not. Many agencies provide the chief or police commissioner with some discretion on who will ultimately receive the promotion. In some cases, this is the rule of 3 or the rule of 5. In those cases, the decision maker can look at the top 3 or 5 candidates and treat them as though they are all equal despite their test scores, and then select the person that they believe is the best candidate from those finalists. Often, this is referred to as passing over the top candidate, and that may quite likely be the case. But technically, it is allowing the chief or commission to select the person who they believe will best serve in that position. If this seems like it is out of your hands, that may or may not be true. If you are in a highly political environment and the fix is in to get to a certain candidate, there is not much that can be done other than to try and be a stellar employee so that the less than stellar competitor looks like a foolhardy choice. Beyond that, there is something else for you to consider. Something that can have a powerful impact on whether you are seen as a risky or trusted choice for promotion. And that is your reputation. Reputations tend to take on a life of their own, bolstering some candidates and weighing down others. Your reputation is what others inside and outside the agency are saying about you. In that vein, a questionable reputation can make it very difficult for a chief to place you in front of others on the list. As a matter of fact, the opposite is often true. A questionable reputation can make it the safe decision to pass over an otherwise competent candidate. Keep in mind that reputations are fragile. We can do our best day in and day out for all of our career and then have one allegation levied that throws our reputation into a tailspin. Something as simple as a complaint made to internal affairs that in the big scheme of things is minor can derail an officer for years to come. What to do? Be good, but be careful. Watch your social media posts. Treat people well. Be respectful. Do your job thoroughly and appropriately. Don't get involved in off-duty civil matters that could reflect poorly on you. In other words, assure that your behaviors are consistent with the credible character that inspired you to take your oath. With your behaviors consistently ethical and appropriate, on duty as well as off duty, you will be known among your peers and supervisors as the obvious best choice for promotion. If you are looking for more guidance on how to excel at your oral board, go to finest.com and see if coaching, a workshop, or the online e-learning oral boards made easy for police promotion course is right for you.